As part of the 190th death anniversary commemoration of legendary freedom fighter Paim Tirot Singh's aim, the family members of late Homage Mdc Latiplang Kharkongor'S paid floral tributes at the monuments of Tirot Singh located at Mairangba and Nongklao on the 17th of July 2025. The late MDC's close relatives, including his wife, niece and elder sibling, were joined by local dignitaries and organizations during the tribute ceremony. The event also witnessed the participation of the Sardar of Mairangba, members of the Khasi Students' Union Nongthamai Circle and Mairang Circle, the Meghalaya Youth Federation, the Mairangba Dorbar members and residents of Nongklao. Speaking during the program at Mairangba, Vice President of the KSU Nongthamai Circle, Richard Maukhew, expressed pride in the sacrifices made by iconic freedom fighters like Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba, Monbhut and Kaphan Nonglat, who he said devoted their lives to the welfare of the community without any expectation of personal gain. However, Maukhew also voiced concern over the present-day decline in moral values, respect and spiritual consciousness among the community, despite progress in areas such as education, sports and knowledge. He stressed the importance of balancing societal advancement with dignity, discipline and cultural integrity.
Kum kajak ben riu ngilong ki badon bok kum kajak ben riu ngisngu sarong bangidon yakum kini ki khawat katau Paim Tirot Singh Ukyang Nangba Monbhut Kaphan Nonglat bat kiwe de kiriu shulur kiba hakitu kipur kila persang kila lerladie kila aitilut met bat mensim nagbenta kadauba jongkari bat kajak ben riu hi borokwe klem dakhen ya kanu kabainong kabakini okla kajak ben riu kanang ya kisni kanang ya kisnem nilanang kiu hakibun kiliang kajak ben riu kanang mi kisnem kanang mi kipor ninang hiar arsopat hakiwei pat kiliang penungo balai bangong gomta namarkat ngidang kiu arsut hakapuli kadang li hakka kamai kakaji hakiwi pat kiliang hakajingile kai bat kumta ter ndrei kei ka bangas nusi banong banginang hiar arsut haka akuar keburong apa pipai kamon kadiang kajawa piat pinyui ya kata kajing senjor jong ka akuar keburong ketibriu ketiblei hakajak dendri ujongi ngasim ya kani kalan ngidon hang ni kroi ji samla ki heb ki barit baai bakata kajing nang kajing start kajong pi ai kata kajing tip kajing sempang kajong pi kanya lengkat bat ka akor tip briu tip blei tip hok tip sot kanang ba kan longpat kapan singat kabakratam kabaphanai tam nagamta kajai ben riu hibro kawai.
During a parallel program at Nongklao, the General Secretary of the KSU Mairang Circle remarked that while modern times demand intellectual and strategic struggles, it is equally crucial to remain ready to make sacrifices both physically and spiritually whenever the cause of the community calls for it.
Banbu sentiu hau ni umat jong usim Tirot Singh ba ibahe ila angnot nadu apor bidang long kumu presiden joka HMIF banyo ban sna ya umat namar bah apor mensuam padan umat ndawan bu sentiu sibu bi hang tai apo berenda hang tai ni bu sentiu dan dakador jong Tirot Singh nrei bahe hadir kejing angnut kejong i kala urlong hadir di lajob kum Mdc hakata mo banekong di la sna ni umat dor bang yang matang ni babaro ki nong song snong ki chang halang ki darbar snong darbar rima ki yo ban ya bu ya usuntiu ban pen buram yo pendan buram yo nu usiem bakrau ya jong jaj ben riu ban ni du mentang sni kum chiang sisem kum ki bahyang basem nadu inmen ki kon kurem ni yo ban ya sementa ben ya hang pe hamai rang ba katu ke program ke basnu tenat adu kata ban mentaru yo ban ya sementa hakani ka jaka begini yo ban bu yang ni sentiu hau mot palasna dai bahe Latiplang Kharkongor pampai dar blei te kumtangi kermen skam ba mai hi nang kurku kerdo ya kayang kasem yang ni diperlok mat khamtam ya kari berkejaj ben riu bahkan like nak umsa bahkan like nak jing phalo jong ki briu ki ba nabar naka no ka jingdom ka batmu ban wantap ya kari ga jong hi barakoi te tang nak ni kintin kuble sibun baro machaprang ngin nang yai wan nak por sakpor nak snem ban pendon buram ya ba kumbang yong ngin pen tim ya ka kerteng ngin pensa kanam jong ibahe Latiplang Kharkongor kuble sibun ya